Unraveling the meaning of clean up, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful phrase, clean up. Understanding this phrase can really polish your English skills, especially when you're in everyday conversations or situations. So, let's explore what clean up really means and how you can use it in different contexts. The phrase, clean up, primarily means to tidy or organize a place by removing dirt, clutter, or unwanted items. It's a phrasal verb, combining the verb clean with the preposition up. When you hear someone say, "Let's clean up this room," they're talking about making the room neat and tidy. This is the most straightforward and commonly understood use of the phrase. Everyday situations. In everyday life, clean up can be used in various scenarios. For instance, after a meal, "Can you help me clean up the kitchen?" In the office, we need to clean up the meeting room before our guests arrive. Figurative use. Sometimes, clean up is used figuratively. It means to rectify a problem or situation. For example, in business, we need to clean up our financial records before the audit. Personal life, I have to clean up some misunderstandings with my friend. Extended meanings. Clean up can also mean to make a large profit or be very successful, especially in a short period. For instance, in business, our company cleaned up during the holiday season, making record sales. In gambling, he cleaned up at the poker table last night, winning thousands. Understanding synonyms or similar phrases can deepen your grasp of clean up. Some similar phrases include tidy up. This is almost a direct synonym, focusing more on organizing and less on cleaning. Straighten out, often used for fixing problems or misunderstandings, similar to the figurative use of clean up. We hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, clean up, for you. Remember, whether it's literally tidying a space or figuratively resolving issues, clean up is a versatile phrase that's great to have in your English toolkit. Keep practicing, and don't forget to clean up any doubts by leaving them in the comments below. See you in our next video.